The OR function returns true if any of its arguments evaluate to true, and returns false if all of its arguments evaluate to false. Let's see how it works. Select the cell, type equal, or, add parenthesis, specify the first condition. Type comma, specify the second condition. Close parenthesis, since the value in cell B5 is pen, the first condition is true. Since the value in cell C5 is not equal to 34, the second condition is false. One condition is true, so the AND function will return true. Hit enter. Use fill to copy the formula. At least one condition need to be true for the OR function to return true. If all conditions are false, function will return false. OR function can expand the usefulness of other functions that perform logical tests. For example, the if function performs a logical test and then returns one value if the test evaluates to true and another value if the test evaluates to false. By using the OR function as the logical test argument of the if function, you can test many different conditions instead of just one. Let's see how it works. Select the cell, type equal, if, add parenthesis, type OR, add parenthesis, specify the first condition. Type comma, specify the second condition. Close parenthesis, specify the value, yes. When either one or both conditions are true, type comma, specify the value, no. When both conditions are false, close parenthesis, since one condition is true, so, OR function will return true. And if function will return the true statement. Hit enter. Use fill to copy the formula.